Academic Heights Public School conducted Europa Olympiad Games, Europa Olympiad exams in which GK competition, maths competition, aptitude test and science test was conducted. So in these awards, in these exams, the students which have performed the best in the Kanpur zone on the national level, on the district level and on the school level, those students are going to get the trophies. So I would like to call our special chief guest, Mr. MD sir, Mr. Indresh Yadav and our principal Dr. Nirmal Kumar Pal. Please put your hands together for these personalities to come on the stage. Now I am going to call the students. आपकी तालियों से पूरा पंडाल जो है वो भर जाना चाहिए. These students has performed beyond the school. अभी तक हम लोग जो अवार्ड दे रहे थे वो अवार्ड केवल स्कूल लेवल के थे. And the students which are going to get the awards right now, they have performed on the national level, on the district level and on the zonal level. So I would like to call Siddhi Rathore, class 6th A. Siddhi got the gold medal and trophy. Siddhi will get the gold medal and trophy. So Siddhi Rathore, please come on the stage. Varun sir, please put the gold medal and one trophy for Siddhi Rathore. And the next trophy and gold medal goes to Vaishnavi. She has performed the best result in International Maths Olympiad. Please put your hands together for this wonderful girl that is performed the International Maths Olympiad test and given the best results. So for Vaishnavi, one trophy and one gold medal you have to put. And Abhinav class 4th A. Abhinav class 4th A will get the gold medal and trophy for performing the best, for giving the best results in International Maths Olympiad, and he has performed the best results on the national level. So he will get the trophies and for the best results. Please put your hands together for these students. Please put your hands together for these students for performing the best results beyond the schools also. Now I will request students to come down the stage, and I will request the chief guest to stay there for giving the gold medals to the students. For getting the gold medals, they have performed in Europa Olympiad. Akhil class 7 will get the gold medal. Akhil from class 7th will get the gold medal. Avani Shukla from class 3rd A for giving the best results in International Maths Olympiad, she will get the gold medal. Utkarsh class 4th A. Shlok Rathore class 5th A. Pallavi Rajput class 8th A will get the gold medal for giving the best results in International Maths Olympiad conducted by Europa Olympiad. It is a registered organization by the Government of India and they have performed the best results. Prachi from class 4th B. Please put your hands together for these students and please put your hands together for our chief guests also.
देखो खुशी तो देखो चेहरों की. By the way, thank you sir and congratulations to all students on your perfect. You all are a shining example of responsibility and dedication.